do a closure every 3 years at each facility, and that involves draining all nearly close to 1 million litres of water. We have a team of tilers in at the moment who are removing all the old sealant. They'll cut that all out and replace it with new sealant that takes about 10 days to cure. So the pools need to stay dry for that period while that work's continuing. And in the plant room, we've got a team of heating specialists who are working on our heating system, stripping it right back, cleaning everything, recommissioning and starting it back up. We try and do the closures when we're quietest. There never is a good time to close a facility as busy as Dudley Park, but the period over the holidays is usually our quieter time and affects less customers overall.